Good morning, one and all. This is Dr. Pallavi Mishra, Associate Professor, MIT School of Communication, MIT University. And my topic of research paper is Combating Coronavirus, an analysis of robotics innovation in medical science. So I actually selected this topic because I wanted to know that how robotics or telemedicine can play a vital role in preventing the doctors and healthcare workers, because they are more vulnerable, they are more prone to this disease, as this disease um, is communicable disease and it can easily be transmitted through respiratory tract. So is there any alternative like robotics and telemedicine which can uh, prevent this disease in doctors and healthcare workers? So that's why I selected this topic. So as I told you, combating coronavirus and analysis of robotics innovation in medical science. The novel coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, has set off a global health crisis and spread like a wildfire across continents. The World Health Organization has declared a global emergency as more and more cells are getting infected through the respiratory tract. The fatality rate is optimized. The novel coronavirus has set off a global health crisis and spread like a wildfire outside China, with a sharp jump in infections in 125 countries and territories around the globe. It has put millions of people under quarantine lockdown. The epidemic is in full swing. Health authorities are frantically trying to deal with the risk, but the lines to separate the sections of healthcare workers are vulnerable. The patients must be isolated to prevent spread, but the biggest challenge is for the doctors and nurses to prevent themselves from the communicable diseases. So as I told you, that the biggest challenge is how the doctors, the nurses and healthcare workers could be prevented from this communicable disease. More than 80,000 people infected were in healthcare workers, as more cells are getting infected through the respiratory tract. The highest priority for the health officials is to reduce the risk of person-to-person transmission. This has raised concerns about its severity impact. There is no proven cure, yet the only key is to prevent its pandemic. So as till date, there is no proven cure of this medical crisis, of this medical issue. The only thing is to prevent it. So how doctors or nurses, because they are also human beings, and how to maintain social distance amongst the doctors and healthcare workers. In the wake of global health contingents, the robots are being deployed at various hospitals across the globe. Robotics medicine may be the weapon the world needs to combat the coronavirus. So when I was studying this, when I was doing the review of literature, I found that how across the globe, various hospitals, this robotics medicine and telemedicines are being deployed to combat, to fight this crisis. The hospitals across the globes are rushing to deploy robots and automation technology as the coronavirus spread like wildfire. Confirming a suspected infection in laboratories can take days, so doctors are relying on artificial intelligence to detect coronavirus with cameras equipped with thermal sensors. Again, the second thing, which why they are using this artificial intelligence technology, because it take days to diagnose this disease in laboratories, and through AI, within hours, this disease can be detected. In the battle against COVID-19, emerging technologies have stood out by making massive commitments in an unforeseen, imaginative, and incredibly responsive way. Mid-tech companies are rolling out robots and drones to help combat it and give form of resources and support to the marginalized people or others who maintain social isolation. So, review of literature. When I was reviewing the literature, I got to know that since 1974, researchers have been developing the technology to incorporate robotics in medical applications. Since 1974, way back in 1974, They are developing robotics technology to use in medical science. In recent years, robotics technology has emerged as a promising arena in medical sciences. UV emitting robots are installed in more than 500 hospitals across the globe to destroy germs and bacteria of coronavirus. So during this crisis, it was uh, comprehended that yeah, that robots and telemedicine can play an important role, can play a significant role in destroying germs and bacteria too. While another UV robot called Germ Falcon annihilate germs. In Taiwan, students at an elementary education are using an automated disinfectant dispenser called Lego robots to prevent the epidemic. The key to combat coronavirus is contact surveillance, and robot medicine may be the weapon the world needs. The deployment of robotics facilities at hospitals in China has shown a substantial upturn. In China, China was the first country. When I was going through the review of literature, I got to know that China was the first country who actually deployed these robotics to prevent the disease. Objectives of the study has been carried out based on the following objectives: to examine how robotics technology is being used to battle COVID-19, and to examine the uses of telemedicine and robotics to reduce the contact with healthcare workers. Methodology which I have used on this research paper is the research employs qualitative research within the conceptual framework of medical health to explore the stated objectives. This research paper is a conceptual presentation of notions based on observation, information retrieved from books, research journals, websites, newspapers, and magazines. Findings and discussions of this study. Our findings show that the deadly new coronavirus continues to spread. Robots are being deployed to help diagnose sufferers and reduce interaction with individuals. A telepresence device fitted with a stethoscope is used by medical practitioners and hospitals across the globe to diagnose the disease. So the findings states that how telepresence has become a part of medical science or health care. The study outlines that the hospitals are relying on robots and telemedicines to reduce the contact of health workers with patients who may transmit COVID-19. So, in hospitals across the globe, to maintain the social distance among the doctors and patients, although patients are quarantined, they are using robotics or telemedicines. Therefore, artificial intelligence and robotics technology are being used to combat the pandemic safe and ensure a hygienic environment. To ensure a hygienic environment, because it can be it is a communicable disease and it can be transmitted through uh, not only respiratory tract but also uh, if we are not going to maintain social distance, so AI is being used, or robotics is being used to maintain social distance. Conclusion: with the contemporary changes in technology and global medical crisis with COVID-19 cases across the globe, in order to maintain a social distance with healthcare workers, doctors, and hospital cleaners, this is used. Robotics technology is being used. Robotics are deployed to sanitize the hospitals and diagnose the patients. Robots are now being used to provide care and provide help for patients in quarantine. The World Health Organization has urged people around the world to physically separate themselves to protect society. Under existing procedures at local clinics, patients suspected of developing COVID-19 needs to be quarantined. This method involves up to 5 medical professionals, placing certain people at risk of catching the virus. So artificial intelligence detector can reduce the amount of risk with the use of handheld robots. So handheld robots are being used to reduce the risk. Additionally, during the current pandemic, robots can play a vital role in reducing human intervention at all stages, from patient assessment to mechanism for patient care and drug delivery. In conclusion, it is apparent that robotics and telemedicine can combat the spread of deadly virus and is the need of an hour. Robots will become an essential part of medical science in near future. So, as per the conclusion, it uh, it shed lights that in near future, robots, because of such type of diseases which are transferable in nature, which are communicable in nature, robotics will become an essential part of medical science in near future. Thank you.